I recently just purchased this on Amazon because my dehumidifier that I had just stopped working. It started leaking at the bottom, and I plan on going on vacation soon, so I think I need a dehumidifier to keep my basement from all the humidity. Because when I first purchased this home, all I had in my basement was all wet and damp and odor smell. So let's get started today and open this up and see what we got here. Okay. As you can see, just remove all the styrofoam and wrap that comes with it. They did a decent job packing it up. Okay, it does come with an owner's manual, which you have time on your own. You could read it yourself, which I don't really have time for that right now. And here's the back of the unit. Do the case and the strap. Alright, and here's the back of the unit where you put your hose, which when the water gets full in the tank, you got a two option of putting a hose connector here and connect it to your drain of your choice, or when the tank get full, all you gotta do is automatic shut off. So all you gotta do is, it should indicate, it should beep or let you know when it's full. So basically you take it out, you see here, when the water gets full, you take this tank out and just dump it out in let's say your toilet, or I usually reuse it and put it in my gardens and put it in my flowers. See, so I can save money on water. Okay. It does come with this piece, and I do got to read the owner's manual to find out where it goes. But for now, I'm just going to show you the main component of the unit. Okay, that piece that I said that came out from the tank is right here. I just attach it in, and it's actually stuck in there. But this is actually for the cord, so you can wrap around like this. Okay, just a reminder, when you purchase this, it comes with this, you know, this guard, whatever, to protect the cord, or just for an extension, so you can hook it up easily in here. See? It's inside your tank, so basically you take that and just clip it on here, and it snaps in right in place. I really don't want to mess with it taking it out because I don't want to break it. Okay, and again, this is the hose connector, so you can run this unit 24 hours. And when you connect this, you can just take a hose and put it in here. I will show you in a little bit, and just, you know, start it up, which I'm going to do a little bit later, and show you how it works. For right now, I'm just going to show you how to put the hose in there. Okay, dehumidifier drain hose. This is 12 feet by 1.5 inches. Okay, I just purchased this as well on Amazon. It gave me like an edition that you can purchase, so I went ahead and did that. because I'll be going on vacation soon and I need to have my basement run without me emptying the tank. So I'm just going to continually have the water drain out of the dehumidifier, okay? So basically it comes with, let's go to hose clip, which you probably know yourself. Okay, right to tight. Okay, pretty simple. So basically you just got to find a little drain hose, or you could just dump it like into the toilet. Just fold down with the handle with the toilet and put this hose in there and let it drain out. So you have to worry about, you know, water going everywhere. Like I said, this run 24 hours continuously, so you don't have to worry about dumping the tank. Also, it comes with a filter. Let me take out this filter in the back. This is a self-cleaning filter. So basically, you just wash it out every 30 days. That's recommended by the manufacturer. There you go. Usually I just put a little bit of Dawn soap and lightly, gently use something. Probably don't have to scrub it at all. Just rinse it out with warm water or cold water, doesn't matter. Wash it out real good every month. So you don't have to purchase a filter, you just wash it. It's washable. Okay. Oh, make sure I put it in right. Okay. Alright. In a little bit I'm going to show you how when I start it up. Thank you. Okay, it has about 7 options on here on the dehumidifier. I'm going to go through each one of these settings for you. Okay, first is the comfort button. Press this button to turn the comfort function on and off. Under this mode, the humidity cannot be adjusted manually, but will present to a recommended comfort level based on your ambient temperature. The level will be controlled as per below table. So basically you have to look at the owner's manual for the correct temperature settings where you'd like to set for yourself. Okay, next is the filter button. To check the filter feature is to remind to clean the air filter for more efficient operation. The filter light cleans filter light will flash after 250 hours of operation. To reset after cleaning the filter, press the filter button and the light will go off. So basically when it's time to clean when it's time to change the filter, the light should come off. Right here, it should start blink and let you know to change the filter. Okay. Put the filter back on and put it back on, it should shut it off. Okay, next is the continue button. Press to activate the continuous dehumidifier operation. This appliance will work continuously and will not stop except that the button is full in continuous mode. So basically you push this button right here to continually to continually make your dehumidifier run 24/7 until you shut it off. Okay, next is the turbo button. The turbo button controls the fan speed. Press to select either high or normal fan speed. Set the fan control to high or maximum moisture removal. When the humidifier has reduced in quiet operation first, set the fan control to normal. So basically you got an option to turn it to maximum, high, or normal. Basically I leave mine on normal unless I got a high humidity in my basement and I just turn it to maximum. It's your choice. Okay, next is the timer button. Press the set to auto on or auto off timer 24 hours in conjunction with the buttons right here. So you can choose your option of humidity settings, left to right. Okay, so you have to read the owner's manual to find out the correct settings for your home. Okay, next is the power button right here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on and see how does it sound. Here it goes. It's not bad. It's pretty quiet actually.